This is You're Welcome by Mama and Julia. All right. I see what's happening here. People aren't voting for me. Maybe it's because they don't own any land. But we can change that, you see. Let's change the voting laws. I was poor and hurt, but I can win. They called me old hickory. Nothing can get under my skin. Bum, 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 bum. What can I say except you're welcome for Jacksonian democracy? What can I say except you're welcome for a landslide election victory? Hey, what will we do about those people? The people I call the Indians. Let's take them out of their homes so we can have our own land back again. Even though their chief, John Ross, said, no, you can't do that. He went to the Supreme Court. And they agreed with him, and that was that. Wow! What can I say except you're welcome for not listening to what they say? What can I say except you're welcome for hurting Native Americans every day? 1 out of 4 of them died. Died on the Trail of Tears. Chief Osceola tried to fight. But they threw him in jail for about a year. Andrew Jackson was good and bad. Good for American democracy. But he made the Native Americans sad. And he hurt them very badly. What can I say except you're welcome for Jacksonian democracy? What can I say except you're welcome for a landslide election victory? What can I say except you're welcome for not listening to what they say? What can I say except you're welcome for hurting Native Americans every day? And thank you.